the integration of CSPM capabilities into SASE frameworks enables unified policy enforcement across multi-cloud environments through centralized governance that extends beyond traditional network boundaries. These solutions automatically discover cloud resources, including virtual machines, containers, serverless functions, and storage systems, and apply consistent security policies regardless of the deployment, location, or cloud provider. Automated remediation capabilities represent a significant advancement in CSPM implementations, where the identified misconfigurations trigger immediate corrective actions without requiring manual intervention from security teams. These systems can automatically apply security patches, adjust firewall rules, enable encryption of storage resources, and modify access control policies when deviations from established baselines are detected. CSPM solutions offer compliance monitoring and reporting capabilities that continuously evaluate cloud configurations against regulatory frameworks, including SOX, PCI DSS, HIPAA, and industry-specific requirements. These capabilities generate automated compliance reports that demonstrate adherence to security standards while identifying the specific configuration changes needed to maintain regulatory compliance. Risk prioritization engines within CSPM platforms analyze configuration vulnerabilities based on potential impact and exploitability, enabling security teams to focus remediation efforts on the most critical issues. These systems correlate configuration weaknesses with threat intelligence feeds, asset criticality assessments, and network topology information to calculate risk scores that guide security decision-making. Advanced CSPM implementations incorporate infrastructure as code scanning, which evaluates security configurations before deployment and prevents misconfigurations from reaching the production environment. These capabilities scan Terraform templates, cloud formation scripts, and Kubernetes manifests to identify security violations during the development lifecycle, enabling DevSecOps practices that embed security controls into continuous integration and deployment pipelines. Integration with SASE threat protection systems enables a correlation between configuration vulnerabilities and active security events, providing a context that enhances incident response capabilities. When the CSPM identifies a misconfigured firewall rule, this information can be correlated with network traffic analysis from SASE security stacks to determine whether the vulnerability has been exploited or poses an immediate risk to organizational assets. This correlation enables proactive remediation before threat actors can weaponize vulnerabilities. Multi-cloud governance through CSPM platforms addresses the complexity of maintaining consistent security policies across different cloud providers within SASE deployment. The solutions provide normalized policy languages that translate organizational security requirements into provider-specific configurations, ensuring a consistent security posture regardless of whether workloads operate in AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or hybrid environments. This abstraction simplifies the security management while maintaining the granular control necessary for comprehensive cloud security. SASE